Please welcome Governor Chris Christie.
Good evening. Tonight, Donald Trump is the clear winner on Super Tuesday. But the win is important for our country. Tonight, Donald Trump has won Georgia and Massachusetts, Alabama and Virginia. And he's also won the great state of Tennessee. Tonight is the beginning.
Donald Trump signing a baby. This is at a rally in Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
I am a truth teller, and I will tell the truth.
Tell the truth, okay?
Yeah, go ahead, finish it. Go ahead. I feel awfully good. I mean, I'm watching your people. I'm watching your people on, and I'm going to be very nice.
I'm going to be very nice.
I'm watching your people on CNN, and I'm watching the Fox people, and I'm watching the MSNBC people, too.
We got to figure it out. We're going to figure it out. Germany, Sweden, places, Brussels. We have no idea who they are. They're young and they're strong. They have no paperwork. We have no idea where they come from. We have no idea who they are. They have no paperwork. They're young and they're strong. You look at that migration line. You look at that migration line. They're young, they're strong. I feel strongly. I have a bigger heart than anybody. We're going to build a safe zone. It's going to be in Syria. You heard what I said. I gave you a good answer. You heard what I said. Yes, go ahead.